If you want to improve your photography, then you need complete control throughout the entire image making process. If you aren't utilizing the post-production and retouching phase to your advantage, then you aren't making your images as strong as possible. Remember, we aren't taking photos here, we're making photos. My name's Corey Vanderploot at CoreyPhoto on Twitter and Instagram. Today I'm going to show you some tips on how to be a better retoucher. Keep it simple. The best retouchers on the planet use simple methods. Just ask the retouchers for Platon, Timothy Greenfield Sanders, and Reuven Afenador. They will all tell you they don't use gimmicks like frequency separation, high pass filters, or most techniques that trendy YouTubers use today. Using the right techniques takes time, and there's no shortcut for great work, so stick to the basics. These basics can be found here and at the link in the description. Use a tablet. While a mouse is great and all, it has heavy limitations for fast and precise artistic work. Think of how quickly and naturally you can sign your name on paper with a pen, and imagine doing the same thing with a mouse. The mouse is just terrible. To make it simple, the tablet will both make and save you a considerable amount of money and time retouching your own professional work. More precise, controlled results mean your retouching output is itself at a high quality, while the time you spend doing it can be reduced to just hours per week. Take a leap. One day soon you'll wonder how you ever managed without a tablet. Practice. You have to practice. Go back and retouch old images. Retouch images back to back to see if there's consistency. Retouch for friends. Follow tutorials online. Whatever you do, you need to do it a lot. That's the only way you can develop your own personal style and a visual signature. Routine. Routines are important for retouching and all aspects of photography in general. If you follow the same simple routine for every image, then you will develop a bulletproof workflow. Whether it's setting up an image in Camera Raw, fixing backgrounds, retouching skin, color correction, any aspect really, your retouching will get better if you follow the same methods every time. To see any of the routines that I implement on a daily basis, check the links in my description. Once you get into a great routine, you can start to bring in actions. This beautiful little tool does all of the boring clerical work and mundane tasks for you. An action is a series of tasks that you play back on a single click, like menu commands, panel options, tool actions, and so on. I use them frequently, especially when I'm setting up files and doing a batch of images, or when I'm adding effects or exporting my files so they can be in multiple formats with one click. Either way, they're going to save agonizing time and considerably shorten your workflow. Retouching doesn't have to be complicated. If you ignore trends and stick to the basics, your photos are going to look miles ahead of everyone else's. Thanks for watching. My name's Corey Vanderploot at CoreyPhoto on Twitter and Instagram. If you like this video, make sure you click the like button and smash that subscribe button. Happy shooting.